Hi, it's Jackie from Discovery Fabrics, and today I want to show you a tour around our rewards program. In the bottom right-hand corner, there is an icon, and if you click in it and then sign in, it will take you to your account history. If you click on the rewards button again, it will show you all of the ways that you can earn points, spend points, and view your rewards. Let's have a look around. In this tab, you can see all of the different ways that you can earn points by purchases, by subscribing to our newsletter, by sharing feedback with your friends on social media, and even birthday rewards for our valuable customers. If you want to know how to spend your points, click on this button here and then redeem. Here you can see your total balance of your points, and then you can put in a dollar value of the points you want to redeem. Today I'm going to put in a $10 value worth 1,000 points and click redeem. This discount will be automatically applied to your shopping cart at checkout. And here you can see your discount code. If I want to save that discount code for a future, I can go to the rewards page the next time I come and view my rewards. It will show me all of the different discount codes that I have available to me and any that have already been applied. In this case, the first one has been applied, but I have another $10 discount code which I could choose to apply. You never lose your discount codes, even if you choose not to use them immediately. Other ways that you can earn points are by referring a friend. By copying the code that's unique to your account, you will get 1,000 points for every $100 that your friend spends on their first order, and they will get a 10% discount. We also have VIP tiers. In this case, I'm a fabric friend, and I'm working towards a super stitcher or a material mogul. Each one of these tiers have special benefits. For more information, you can click on the Rewards tab at the top of the page, and it will give you all of the information about our points program. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our helpful staff. We'd be happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.